Dear viewers, good afternoon. I'm glad to welcome you to the Synthesit YouTube channel, where we take feedback from synthesized consumers. Today we have a consumer named Tatiana as our guest. Tatiana, hello again.
Hello.
I'm very happy to talk with you. Could you please tell us how you got to know the mineral? What's your story of discovering it? What results have you or your loved ones experienced? And please mention where you live. This moment will also be interesting for the viewers.
I live in Italy. We ordered it for the first time back in 21. It's so easy to try. And the first result, we noticed right away, we all tried it as a family, me, my husband, and our daughter. And we saw the first result right away with our daughter because she had very low blood pressure during her period. It was 40/60, but it was such that she would get up in the morning feeling terrible. It was horrible. And immediately after the first appointment, we saw the result because she was back to her normal life. So we saw the result right away. My husband had joint problems. We also saw results right after the first dose. I did all the tests completely, and all my tests were normal. That was the first result after the first dose.
Did you do the tests as part of the preparation for some kind of surgery or just for yourself?
For the surgery, yes. I had a scheduled surgery, which is fine, but I just wanted to see the results for myself. I specifically looked, and I'm 49 years old. All the tests are normal. I think that's really good.
Yes, I agree. And can you tell us about your daughter's results and your spouse? My daughter's blood pressure was consistently rising during her period, and does she have syncope? Or does she generally have issues with hypertension?
No, only during her period. Yes. And now everything is constantly normal for her.
Everything is normal. And since 2021, hypertension during your period hasn't come back?
No.
You are consistently taking Synthesit. And what about your husband? What was going on with his joints? What's the story?
My husband's knees were cracking. That's right. Yes. And now that's completely gone. Well, there were pains, and now those pains are gone too.
Is he not undergoing therapy with a rheumatologist? He wasn't given any diagnosis.
No.
Just sound, cracking, and discomfort.
Yes, cracking and pain, yes. That has passed.
And one more question. How soon did you notice the results?
Well, we noticed it right away with our daughter. Right away. In the first month.
The first month?
Yes. I also had another problem. I had trouble sleeping, to be honest. And after taking it, I started sleeping great. And for 3 years, I can say, yes, the problem. I no longer have that problem. This too. I slept very poorly,
So, during the day you feel better because you're not recovering, right?
Because I have a physically demanding job. And that's why it was constant. Yes, right now. Everything is great.
And we also discussed the bonus result from your daughter's use of Synthesize in our phone conversation. Could you tell me more about it?
Well, yes, my daughter started getting laser hair removal, and they told her that with her skin type, it would take 5 to 6 sessions, and she will be done. There will be an effect. She already is. Last week, I already had the 9th session, and it seems to me that the effect is 0. Naturally. At the center where she is getting it done, they can't understand it, because they say it's the first time in their practice that this happened. And my daughter comes home and says that no one knows what's going on. I think it's your Synthesize. I think it gives such growth.
Yes? The hair is resisting and growing. Yes.
Yes, despite the damage. Yes.
Very, very interesting results. Thank you very much for sharing your story. We also have a little tradition on our YouTube channel called Wishes. Please share some warm words or wishes. Give our viewers a message for those who will be watching your video interview.
Well, I recommend it to everyone. Honestly, I even recommend it to all my friends and relatives. And they have already placed orders. And then one more thing. Even if someone doesn't have any problems, so you shouldn't wait until problems arise. Because maybe someone will think, well, nothing hurts me, why should I take it? Yes. But it's better to prevent it. Because it can also be felt, so I recommend it.
As part of prevention, thank you very much for the kind words. Thank you. Thank you for the video interview. We also wish the viewers good health and a wonderful mood this spring. Thank you once again. Goodbye, Tatiana, and goodbye, viewers.
Thank you. Goodbye.